Hello everyone, Chef Ramon here. Today's dish will be vermicelli soup or sotanghon as we call it. Here it is. Um, our ingredients are 4 cloves of garlic, ginger, onions, and shredded chicken, ground pepper, the vermicelli, fish sauce or patis, or you can use salt to season. Boiled eggs. This is when you serve the vermicelli soup and chicken broth. Okay, let's begin now. So we'll put oil to start the saute process. About 2 spoons of oil here. Put the vermicelli in water so it gets soft. About 4 of them, depending on how much you will cook. About 10 minutes to soak right there. Alrighty. Okay. Put the garlic first. And then just low to medium fire, and then ginger, and you can put the onions as well. So the onions is now translucent. We are now ready to put the chicken, the shredded chicken breast actually. Put a little fish sauce to taste. Put that fire a little bit so you don't dry up the sauce. Pepper. And this is what we're gonna do, chicken broth, right there. So shake it up. Just leave the fire like that. If you see it drying up, just add more chicken broth. And just wait. So after about 5 minutes of cooking the chicken, seasoning it with patis or fish sauce and ground pepper, now we're ready to put the chicken broth. So I have another box of chicken broth just in case we need more. And in this case, because we needed the soup, we need more chicken broth. So I'll add more of chicken broth, okay? Okay, and then put it to a boil. Put the fire in high so you gets to boil quicker. And the chicken stock is already boiling, so we are ready to put the vermicelli. But you know how long this can be, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it up a little bit. There you go. Just wait, boil it, put it to a boil again, and then it's ready to serve. There we go. I think it's ready to serve. See that texture of the vermicelli? It should be soft now because it got to a boil. Alright, we'll put it in the serving bowl here. So now we're ready to serve, but before we serve, we're gonna put the sliced boiled egg. So good. Thank you very much. If you like the demo, please click on subscribe down there. Thank you and have a great day, everyone. This is Chef Ramon once again.